Are you wondering which spreadsheet tool is better for you? Today, we're diving into Google Sheets and Apple Numbers. Both tools help you organize data, create charts, and collaborate with others. They make handling numbers easier, whether for school, work, or personal projects. Let's start with Google Sheets. This tool is cloud based, which means you can access it from anywhere. It's great for real time collaboration. You can share your sheet with others and see changes instantly. Plus, it integrates well with other Google apps. Now, let's look at Apple Numbers. This tool is part of the Apple ecosystem. It has a sleek design and offers beautiful templates. It's user friendly and perfect for Mac and iPad users. However, it doesn't have as many collaboration features as Google Sheets. So, what are the main differences? Google Sheets shines in collaboration and accessibility. You can work with multiple people at the same time. On the other hand, Numbers is more visually appealing, making it great for presentations. When it comes to features, Google Sheets has advanced functions and better data analysis tools. Numbers has unique charts and graphics but lacks some of the powerful formulas found in Sheets. In terms of pricing, Google Sheets is free with a Google account. Numbers is also free but only for Apple devices. So, who should choose which tool? If you need to collaborate often and want cloud access, go for Google Sheets. If you prefer a beautiful interface and work mainly on Apple devices, Numbers is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.